Well, to give you an idea what's going on here. Back in the early 80s, I joined the military. I went into the Navy as a naval radio operator. A kid in the I was 17 years old. So here I am. I'm sailing around in the ocean. I got posted to a ship that had to go from. Didn't have to. We went from Victoria to San Diego to Manzanillo, Panama. Came around through Panama, up the East Coast. Hit a couple of ports on the East Coast and grabbed this ship, the Huron. So while I'm out there, they called it the Huron-Gatineau Coast Transfer. This is in 1987 this happened. So we're out there. We're picking up the ship. And yeah, there's our itinerary. This is how we sailed around. There's a little glimpse of the ship's company. That's on the Huron, of course. And then all the different departments, all the different. This is a yearbook that they threw together for us. Anyways, that's the ship. That's us coming out of St. John's, Newfoundland. And then I decided, well, I can't find anywhere on the internet where to get a hold of one of these. I've been looking for models everywhere. So I decided with some cardboard, a little bit of engineering, some measuring, a couple of tape measures, some basic mathematics. Well, I've taken it from this step as a cardboard cutout to I gotta hold some door skins. These door skins work quite well. Now, to get a full door skin, there you go. There's another outlay for another one. It's already drawn in on the board. And using different laminates, different veneers. So yeah, with a little bit of engineering, you can cut these sections into usable wood sections, about this long. Now, if you're good with an X-Acto knife, you can take it to the next step and make yourself an actual. That's all wood. Yeah. All reinforcing. She's starting to get the ribs. Lots of reinforcing. Lots of popsicle sticks and glue. So yeah, lots of reinforcing. Now this is where the drive shaft is going to be. You're going to end up with the tiller located back here for your rudder. Cable sections are going to come through the deck, through the hull. All your different compartments for watertight integrity. Now, you're going to need a mast section. So, again, a little engineering, a little ingenuity, some creativity. You can create just about anything. Now, this is all coming off of, believe it or not, a diagram. When I was a young sailor, they put me through the rigors of rather horrible workups. We had to bring the ship out of refit and make sure it was ready for battle. And I had to go through and learn all my different firefighting locations, all the diagrams and everything like that had to be meticulous. All the compartments, I had to know where all the compartments were. To be able to get through from one side of the ship to the other in the dark. That was really fun. But this is what I've been working off of, just a set of plans. basic rudimentary schematics, plans. And again, this ship was built in the early 70s, so there's not a heck of a lot left over from that era, the old Trudeau era, to be able to work with. So I'm winging a lot of this, but that's okay. I'll give you an idea what I'm working on. This is kind of a labor of love. It's been fun though. It has been fun. I'll give you an idea how this is going to turn out. Yeah. Very fun. Okay. Couple of pieces added on here. This is very basic. So yeah, there you get the general idea. Here's my hangar, flight deck, quarter deck, torpedo launch location. And then the mast section is going to go forward. I'm going to have a bridge as well. Basically, a mock-up of the real ship. Yeah. So that's going to look like that eventually. That will be the destination, is looking like this. Yeah. Well, wish me luck. Again, this is 1/100th scale, so this is very, very small compared to what you'd be looking at for a helicopter and ship. The ship itself was 430 feet long, 50 feet wide. But now it's sitting on the bottom of the Pacific Ocean, the Huron. Good old 281. That was the ship I brought around. She was the flagship for the West Coast for years, until they brought out the new frigates. But this was a destroyer. This was a destroyer. Yeah. Alright, well, I'll see you next time. Good luck. And yeah, I'll keep you posted. Take care.